I'm actually working for the same company for almost 14 years. When the company do some restructuring, I decided to pursue this program. It's very interesting actually. I could learn new lessons about the basic of data analysis, a very strong basic of data analysis. And we can work together in a team to apply what we have learned in a project, an assignment. I can learn new skills on how to analyze raw data and draw some meaningful and actionable insights and trends. I like the most is the hands-on approach of the data analytics tools. So how to use the data analytics tools for business intelligence. Managing times in between works, family, especially during public holidays, and then study and do some research for the presentations. Hopefully, now I'm still looking for a new job that is related to data analytics.